Hey guys, so I'm in Denver today and I decided to do an unboxing and haul of what I got from Whole Foods. Let's dig in. First, I'm gonna try the ceviche because they have like a fresh seafood bar, and this was there, and they also had Peruvian ceviche, which I'm not sure what it is, but it looked more like chopped up. I love shrimp anything, so using this as my soy sauce pan. Okay, you guys, so I got a TikTok this week. Can you believe it? And I do have to say I'm kind of addicted to it, and it's only been 2 days. But if you guys have it, definitely follow me. It's my same username as here, ARA_EEK. And basically, I'm trying to decide if I'm in love with it or if, like, I'm not sure if this is something that I'm going to be continuing to use. But basically, I just like it because it's super creative. And it's super fast and easy. But one thing I don't like about it is the average age of a TikTok user is literally 12. So that aspect of it is not so appealing to me because it seems like a high school popularity contest. And guess what? I failed that when I was in high school, so I don't want to do it again. The salmon cut roll. Always gotta mix in the wasabi. So what do you guys like getting at Whole Foods? I love Whole Foods because there's always such a huge variety of options. And there's always local products. Like when I'm traveling, I like to try local things. And I also like the fact that they have things that I'm already familiar with. So sound off in the comments below to let me know what you like from Whole Foods, or like if you've wanted to try something there. These are fresh. I'm also peeling off the salmon and just eating it by itself. So I like the ceviche, but it's not like super fresh. It's just like whatever fresh. So what I like about this brand is that, first of all, they have different kinds of tea. They even have like a chamomile one with no caffeine at all. And then they have this one, which is white tea. They have green teas and they have black teas. Then each one has a different hops that they add to it. Basically, for example, this one is the lemon drop Simcoe hop, and then the tea is white, and then it says the caffeine content, and then it also tells you the hoppiness level. So based on where it falls on this, it shows how hoppy it is. So this is my favorite one, I think, out of all of them. Because it's very minor in the hoppiness, and then the white tea is really nice. And again, like I said, all of them are carbonated, so it's just a very refreshing carbonated beverage. And for people who are super into beer and maybe they want to cut down, or they don't want to, I don't know, get drunk or buzzed, and also maybe calories wise, I'm sure beer is more because Like it's all the like wheat and everything, whereas this one is 0 calories. I definitely want to try the macaroons because I hand selected them. I got this one, which is coffee. Oh, okay, this is like crunchy, and I've gotten them here before, so I don't know what's going on. Okay, next one. This is rose. Actually bomb. It's still slightly stale, but I'll move on for the sake of this video. Okay, but I love the taste of the rose one. This one is pistachio. I love the taste of it. Usually they're supposed to be like super soft. Earl Grey. And I love Earl Grey anything. So the next one is blueberry lavender. And y'all know I love everything lavender. Honestly, I wish it was just lavender. Red velvet. Classic. So speaking of red velvet, one time I was in college and my mom went to Costco back home and she bought like a huge red velvet cake. And she was like, oh, I feel so bad that you can't eat this. Like, you should go and buy it from your Costco and have some and I'll pay for it and everything. So I go and get it and it's like a fat, massive, like red velvet cake. And I was like, I guess maybe my roommates will eat it with me. But no one ate it with me and I ate that whole by myself. So the coffee one is like dry AF. Whole Foods, get your together. Let me try it again. I'm not eating that. This one tastes bomb, so I don't care. Oh, it tastes like literally roses. Okay, I lied. I'm eating it. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know if you like this video because I want to do more hauls, unboxings, and mukbangs, but it's like I need to know if you guys are actually enjoying this. So anyway, I will catch you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Okay, bye.